artificial intelligence's biggest problem, it is not what it thinks. It is what it cannot do. My name is Diego González Pascual. I'm a technical solutions executive at Autodesk, and I'm here to explain you why MCPs are important and how MCPs can connect artificial intelligence large language models with the actual world. Let's go ahead. Let's imagine that we are in a pub. We have two friends having time together. We have our friend Claudius that wants something to drink, and we have Gemma that wants something to enjoy having like a salad. So both of them directly ask or request to the barman to bring those things for them. Our friend Claudius and Gemma will be waiting because they cannot do anything. They are asking the barman that performs everything. So let's consider that our friends are not two humans in a bar. Consider that we have Claude and Gemini, that are two AI large language models. If they want to do something in a construction site, they would be directly listing what they want to do, that they can do. But actually, what they are preparing is just text. So they do the same as our friend Claudius and Gemma. But the difference is that in a pub, we have a barman that is gathering or taking those commands and directly going to the kitchen and performing those actions. In our case, the AI language models, they cannot do this because they don't have anyone that is actually performing the actions. So for this, there's an option. If we want to connect the AI large language models with different applications, such as this one that you can see in the screen, we could do calls to APIs so that they could be connecting the language models with the solutions. But this is a little bit complicated because we need to gather all the different sets of APIs together so that there's a huge and a complete interaction between the language model and the applications. So this set of different actions translated into verbs that are understandable or usable from a language model is what an MCP server is. And let's consider that what we want to do is to connect, for instance, Claude with Autodesk Construction Cloud. Can I do that? The answer is yes, we can. And what is the way to do that? Well, it's simple. You need to create an MCP server that will be having available the different API calls that you need. For instance, if you want to get the issues list or the file list that you have in a project, it's so simple that you need to bring the cannot bring, the files, and the issues APIs. So that is actually I will be showing to you right now. So in this example, what we have done is to use Claude Desktop, where we have created an MCP, including the APIs that we want from APIs. Then we directly create a prompt where we are asking to create a list of the DWG that we have in a project. And then directly Claude will be calling to the APIs by means of the MCP, and will be performing the different actions that Claude wants to do against with the APIs. Here you can see how it is connected with the account, it is looking for the project, it is looking for the actual files that I want to find out here, because I'm asking for the list of DWG that I have in a folder. And then, given that I'm also asking to create a node in Obsidian, it will be also creating that node within the Obsidian environment. So here you can see that it is always asking permission to perform an action. This is important because you need to be sure that the MCP that you're using is safe. So here finally you can see that the node has been created, and here you can see that the node in Obsidian is showing you that we have this list of files that have been brought directly from ACC. Additionally, we can ask the environment to create a dashboard with the different issues that we have in the project. Claude will also be creating different dashboards that will be seen directly in the environment that will be also able to download. In this case, this has been exported to HTML that we will be able to see. So this video comes to an end. I just hope that you enjoyed the video and you learn something new and how Autodesk can use MCPs to leverage the power of AIs with our solutions. Thank you very much.